Carry out a visual inspection of the tail lift components. Check the remote control and the key. Open the emergency control box. Make sure that there is a key. To disconnect the tail lift from the power supply. Next, open the main control panel. Check the operation of the key. Check the voltmeter reading and the battery charge level. After the inspection, operate the tail lift using the remote control. A controller can also be used. It is connected to the socket. If the control units do not work, use the manual emergency control box. The use of a forklift is prohibited, or trucks to load cargo directly onto the platform. Do not use the platform as a bridge or ramp for a forklift. Before starting operation, make sure that there are no people or obstacles within the operating area of the platform. Do not operate on a sloped or uneven surface. Do not exceed the maximum load capacity. The center of gravity must not exceed 600 millimeters. Place only at the center of the platform. Do not move cargo between vehicles using forklifts or trucks. Secure the load with stoppers that may roll. Be careful during rain and snow. Do not allow operation when people or obstacles are in the working area.